Hello guys, today we will learn what is the scope. Like in JavaScript, right? We will say scope of the variable, right? So what is meant by scope actually? See, scope is nothing but scope, no? It determines or tells the accessibility of variables, objects and functions, right? So scope is nothing but accessibility of variables, objects and functions. Where? So in JavaScript, a variable is defined with three types of scopes. One is block scope, second one is function scope, third one is global scope. So scope is nothing but it tells the accessibility of variables, objects and functions, whether it's a blocker scope, function scope or global scope. So we need to validate or we need to check whether a variable, what are the variable is defined as a blocker scope or function scope or global scope. So we will see in the next script, in the next video as a script wise. Thank you.